Hello. Today I have Mercedes-Benz CLS with problem. Active blindspot assist and line keeping assist inoperative. So I plug Diagnostic for scan codes. And we have fault left rear bumper radar sensor malfunction, no communication. So let's go to a rear bumper for the test. So let's go under the car. This side, our faulty side, I already removed this metal piece for better access. This is here our model. I found this not factory made. Someone made this protection, but I don't think so. It's a good idea. So I unplug connector with 4 wires. 2 violet is our CAN bus lines communication, brown ground, and red power supply. So we can measure first with all 4 wires. So we check for the power plus minus. So I connect my control lamp. So our plus is okay. Next step, our CAN bus lines. So for CAN bus testing, I'm using picoscope oscilloscope, and I connect these 2 wires to the violet 2 wires to sensor connection, and we have our communication line. Everything looks okay. So the fault was bad sensor. We have to replace this one. So to remove the sensor, you have to take this fixator from here, and this modular just takes out. So we have to replace, and the car will be fixed.